Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter. T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
The power of touch. Who would have known it would be turned into a contest? In this first law of motion competition, we see two champions face off as they find out who is the true master of the power of interaction.
NANI?!
Look at my damn. Look at my damn. Look at my damn.
The first law of motion states that any object at rest will remain at rest. Any object in motion will remain in motion until an external force acts upon it, disturbs it. The white marble does not budge an inch from its spot until it was struck by the black marble. On the other hand, the black marble moves all the way up to the white marble, not changing its course whatsoever until that fateful impact that made it change its course, and in turn impart some force onto the white marble.
Basta sumuko ka na! 3 years ka nang lumalaban!
Buha ka na, Carl! May elevate ka pa sa Sabado!
Greetings, physicists. Are any of you wishing you could watch this usual action-packed movie with the muscles, guts, and gore? Well, sorry, mates. I believe you came to the wrong channel. There ain't no bloody hell to be shown here today. Anyway, as consolation, we will still be showing you enough action. Just not the ones you expect. Laws are like promises. Restraints meant to be broken. But there are some laws that there is just no getting away from. We want you to join us on a journey to our strange and wonderful world governed by three laws of motion. Well, it is man against the bottles. And when that happens, it is time for them to say hello to our little friend. When mass meets acceleration, it is time for these bottles to know the power of the force. Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, bottles. Humanity wins thanks to their knowledge and application of the second law of motion, something which their opponents completely lack. The second law of motion states that mass multiplied by the acceleration of an object is equal to the power
of the force. Despite offering the same acceleration, the Vulcan machine gun shoots heavier bullets than the Alpha Trooper shotgun, making it the more effective weapon against the bottles. In any case, these bottles did not stand a chance and were terminated. Humanity wins. Fatality.
Team.
Terminator 3, this is Terminator. Stalkers captured backing a paid low crew that went down in the area. Over. All hitmen 3 Victors. Be advised. We're rolling freaks to attack 295 at 1800 Zulu. No copy. Badger, this is Badger 2-3. Who cleared those Cobras hot? Roger. Interrogative. Do you have a positive ID on any enemy personnel there? Badger 2-1.
Physics has an order, a power to restore balance. And yet even mankind would choose to use that to further their own goals. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring you here tonight for a rocket testing launch. And here we will see how every action has a consequence. One small step for man, one big step in the name of physics.
Terminator 3, this is Terminator. Stalkers captured backing a paid low crew that went down in the area. Over.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To infinity and beyond. The third law of motion has it that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Equilibrium is the key here. Hence, the air from the balloon pushes down on the ground. And believe it or not, the ground reciprocates this by pushing on the air. The air pushes in on the insides of the balloon. And the balloon, in turn, exerts itself on the air. And it's these forces that allow the balloon-powered rocket to reach for the skies.
Oh, didn't see you there. Anyway, I hope you had a nice time in our embarkment on an adventure through the 3 laws of motion. We have seen how important and how life-changing the application of all 3 laws are in our everyday lives. Anyway, I hope that you liked this episode and I hope you learned something. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!
Bill Nye the Science Guy.